Maria's Magic School. That's a shark. This is a turtle. That's an octopus. That's a whale. A clownfish. Dolphin. That's a crab. Narwhal. That's a jellyfish. That's an orca. A starfish. Tuna. That's a squid. That's an eel. That's a cute seahorse. Manta ray. That's a pufferfish. This is a lobster. Beluga whale. A cute penguin.
Hey, thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more fun videos.